I've been waiting for this for weeks and it's finally arrived. Spare Karma drone propellers.
Several months ago, I uploaded an episode showing the test flight I did with my newly bought drone. You might have been wondering why I never used it in my previous episodes, as it would have made my videos a lot more awesome. Well, this is the reason why. Yup, that happened. I guess I was lucky my drone only broke 3 propellers. Fast forward today, I received the spares and now my drone is ready to fly. And this time, I was determined to practice in a safe zone. And I mean a lot of practice. My village is located far from the main road and is surrounded by a lot of open space. Very ideal for practice. It's only my second time to fly this drone. The first time was nearly a disaster, but I guess it was better that way. Who knows, if my drone didn't crash back then, I might have grown overconfident and the whole thing might be at the bottom of the sea by now. Test flight done. Now let's take it somewhere else. Since I'll be on vacation for the next few months, obviously my seaman vlogs will be a bit limited, but I'll still be able to cover topics like maritime education and training, career advancement, and a few other stuff that seafarers do while on land. But while I'm on vacation, I'll be adding travel vlogs to my channel. It's going to be practically just like my shore leave adventures, so I do hope you like it. In any case, Having some new equipment that I could use for recording is definitely very exciting, as it will open up new opportunities for presenting a lot of different perspectives. I guess it's an understatement to say I can't wait to go on the next adventure.